Today I'm going to show you how to use the bug net on the new Drummer hammocks for 2019. First off, the bug net is detachable on this year's model. You take the bug net and attach the slider. Some people have asked us to explain how to get the bug net around the foot end. That can be kind of difficult. So what you should not do is like this. If you're just going to put too much pressure on the bug net here, it's not going to work. What I like to do is I like to sit back so that my balance is better, and you can even tighten the chair function a little bit so you don't slide down. Then you can simply take the foot end and just pull it towards you. When you want to exit the hammock, you can also use it as a door if you just stop right here and throw this over the ridge line just so it rests like this. Entering the hammock. So you have the stick here. The bug net is halfway deployed. So just make sure that, if it sits like this, you can just sip it on a little bit more and just pull it so it's resting on top. It's a bit windy today, as you can see. And I have the stick here, so I don't want to fold it like I normally do. I just do like this. I stand in the middle, take the side panels, and just pull the hammock underneath me, making sure I don't sit on the bug net. This looks good. Then I sit back a little bit in the hammock, pull it towards me. There we are.